car. We're going to check out the MGM Grand's shopping district. This is where they have a lot of shops, restaurants, and the MGM Arena. It's big enough to actually make a separate video on its own, so show you guys what that's all about. Oh yeah, this is the famous Morioto's restaurant. Wait a minute, did I say Morioto? I said Morimoto. A friend recently came to town, ate here.
You guys met?
Yeah, my friend Mike came to town, said it was delicious.
Oh, because the kids love sushi.
That's right, because his kids love sushi. I don't know if I would bring my kids here. You're basically paying a couple $100 per kid to eat here. This place is pricey, super expensive. Let's go. This is craft steak. Now I remember Emerald being one of the hottest places to eat out here in Las Vegas. And he was one of the hottest chefs on TV. But other bigger chefs are now in town. Yeah, the last time we were here, a lot of these places were still closed. And this place here, I don't think it was fully even built yet. But it's the Brad Garrett Comedy Club. I guess there's a place to sit and eat around here too, because it's really nice actually. It's got that old Vegas clubby feel.
So yeah, you want to go up to the
It's a comedy club.
Mm-hmm.
Live band.
All right. We're heading out to the, this is where they have the food court here and the big events, the arenas over here. This place so familiar now, Ludette? Where?
Oh, we never had this. We never seen this. This new?
I don't know, what is it? I don't think I've seen this one last time here either.
It's another steakhouse. Seafood and grits.
International Smoke Wood Fire. So it's a wood fire place.
What's that mean?
They cook it on wood fire. So it's probably got a smoky taste to it, is my guess.
Yeah. Oh, this one too. I never seen this open. Back and I had This is where the BTS concert was.
That's right. If I remember, you even sat here at one point trying to sneak into the Grammys or something like that, try to get a
Yes.
glimpse of some celebrities.
Yeah.
Did that work out?
No.
Oh. Nice try though, baby.
Nice try. Thinking, oh, they're gonna go this way. They're gonna go this way. Nope.
By the way, we are still inside the MGM property here. This is how big this place is. I think this is where they filmed some of the shows out here.
Everything that happened flowed from that one moment. That one decision. You're not loud enough because you're being
Oh, you know what? I've done this before, baby. It's like memory is coming back. You get to watch free screenings of shows, except that I was tricked. Because they weren't actually trying to test whether or not you want to watch the TV show. It was for like commercials and other things around it. I remember because I was watching the TV pilot. I'm like, this TV pilot is really, really bad. Like, is this really going to be TV? Found out afterwards, the show is nothing. It's the stuff they market around it to see if you remember the ads. Not to say that they don't actually screen real TV shows, but I know that I was tricked. Let's see that's down over here. By the way, if you want to go to the pool out here, they literally make you walk all this distance through what they call the district. It's a long haul. Although it's great for sightseeing because you have people coming out here for the shows, people in bikinis and hot, sexy swimwear coming out for that's right, the pool.
You literally have to walk all the way.
Although you can actually take the monorail from over here too, which we never did before. We have to try to take that next time. The monorail. Babe, I'm so hungry. I think I just need a hot dog. I want a Nathan's hot dog. Want a Nathan's hot dog? I'm craving a Nathan's hot dog, and I know they got one here. Are headed to the food court now. I would normally not recommend eating here, even though it's a food court, because it's super expensive. Like, for instance, you want a burrito? It's $15,
15.
$16. Think about it. At $16, it's literally 10 times the price of a hot dog and a drink at Costco. The hot dog is puny, but when they load it up, they really load it up, man. You can barely see anything. You got sauerkraut in there. Oh. You got relish. And actually, Nathan's fries are pretty good too. You know. So what kind of drinks they got here? Margarita, tickled pink, strawberry daiquiris, a passionberry. Although we didn't check it out a little bit earlier, but let's take a peek inside. Tom's Craft Steaks. Ooh, the woodsy decor. Look at that, it's nice. It's beautiful. Looking at all those spirits on the wall over there. Nice, right?
So now they're open for public.
Ah. Babe, I love the idea of a bar table like that, where the light comes through. That's beautiful, huh? That's really nice.